Have you ever cased a card? Every year I join Michelle Lupton at Case Me a Christmas Card and I always have such fun casing one of her fabulous designs. She makes me go outside my comfort zone because I normally don't do sort of like a rainbow of watercolor wash like I have here. Now, I didn't use the rainbow colors that she did on her card design because I wanted mine to be leafy, so I did choose some greens and blues. What I'm doing here, because I didn't have the reactive inks that she used, I thought I'd try and get a similar look by using my watercolor brush marker refills. I'm actually drying each color in between and trying to get that kind of drip effect. I didn't want them to be too blended in between each other. Like you can see here, I wanted there to be some distinct kind of lines in between each of the colors. So I am using some watercolor paper from Altenew, so it's going to tolerate quite a bit of water. This technique was very fast to do, and probably the longest thing that it took for me to do was to either dry the watercolors and choose the stamps, but we'll get to that in a minute. Now, I know this isn't a usual color combination for a Christmas card, but I did do a video recently where I used these similar colors. We'll try and remember to link that here and in the description below. So the cardstock was a little bit warped once it dried, so I did actually wrap it in some copy paper and run it through my Gemini Junior just to flatten that card panel out a little bit. The other thing I do when I'm choosing my images is to remove the stamp off the packaging, and just I can hover the packaging over my panel to see what I think it might look like. And this is the stamp I thought I was going to use, and I didn't like it as much as I thought I would, so I tried the Modern Poinsettia and I liked that one a lot better, but it was really missing the drama of a really solid bold stamp. So in the end I went with this one, which is from Ellen Hudson, and it's called Mondo Holly, and I want to know which one you would have chosen. Do you think I went with the right image in the end? I don't know. Anyway, it was as simple as stamping out my Mondo Holly using my Misty. I did have to stamp it a couple of times, and then I added a sentiment. I just used my alignment tool here to make sure I had it nice and straight, and this is from Reverse Confetti and it's called Joyful Holiday Wishes, and I also stamped that with some obsidian black ink, and then I just added a few sequins to the front of the card. Now, I will have a blog post here which will link Michelle's card design. She's going to choose one of my cards and make a Christmas card out of that, so don't forget to head there. And here's the card that I cased from Michelle. Isn't it just beautiful? You can see why I was inspired. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, it'd be great if you could subscribe. I'm going to share a couple more Christmassy videos with you here right now, so don't forget to click on them for more inspiration. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.